Hi, boys and girls. Today we are going to read the text fun, fun, fun. And I want you to read words that have short U, just like the word fun. And I want you to read our words to know. In this text, we're going to go on a word hunt. We have the words little, just, went, and only. So let's see if we can find them. There might even be another one. Let's sound out this word. Fun. That's decoding. When we say the sound that each letter makes, we are decoding. And then when we say the word, we're blending. We're putting those sounds together and making a word, reading a word. Fun, 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 fun. Let's read this text. Kit is in the bag. Kit has fun in a bag. If this is hard for you to read, I want you to go back and sound each word out. Kit. Okay? What do little pups do for fun? Pups can tug, tug, tug. Can you find the word little on this page? If you are pointing at this word, you are correct. Good job. Some pups just run, run, run. It is fun to run, run, run. Can you find the word just on this page? If you're pointing to this word, you are correct. Let's sound out the word just. Just. Let's read the next page. Some dogs only dig for fun. This big dog dug, dug, dug down. There are two words to know on this page. Can you find the word only? If your finger is pointing at this word, you are correct. Can you find the word down? If your finger is pointing at this word, you are correct. Big dogs can run, run, run. It is fun to run, run, run. This big cat ran up. It went up, up, up. Can you find the word went on one of these pages? If your finger is pointing at this word, you are correct. This is the word went. Can you point to a word that has in it? There are so many. Run, fun, right? Run, up, excuse me. Good job reading this text, and again, read this over and over again to get more practice, and it is in your student book starting on page number 174.